Hi everyone! We have so far made an Ambunu tea, an Ambunu gel, a paste. Now it's time to make Ambunu oil. Stay tuned! I'm going to refer you to a playlist with all sorts of things around Ambunu. You can find recipes there, how to make a gel, a paste, and just different ways to use Ambunu. So we can get straight into this video. But for those that don't know, Ambunu is an African herb that has been used for a long time to cleanse and detangle the hair. I'm going to use Jamaican black castor oil from mynaturalbeauty.com.au. There is a code for this, so just head out to the site and type in Pamaro15 for 15% off this oil and everything else she has on the site, which is pretty exciting. And that's for Aussie naturals and New Zealander naturals. So I'm just going to place the oil into a jar, and this oil just comes up to about half a cup, I would say, maybe quarter. You can use whatever oils you have. I'm just using black Jamaican castor oil because that's what I've got in the house. We're going to let the jar sit in boiling water to warm up for just a couple of minutes, after which we will place a teaspoon of the Ambunu leaves into the oil, and then we'll turn the heat off as we stir. So no need to continue, boiling the water. However, we will leave the jar still sitting in the hot water as we stir the leaves into the oil. The Ambunu leaves tend to clump up together, so you want to continue stirring every now and again until the water has cooled down. So we want these leaves to be distributed evenly around the oil and not just in one place. After about 10-15 minutes, everything would have cooled down. You just want to take your jar out of the water, pop the lid on and let it sit for 24 hours. Now, the longer you leave this to infuse, the better the benefits. So I left it on for 24 hours and this is what it looked like, but you can leave it in for longer. Make sure to store it in a cool, dark place. I normally put it up in the cupboard with some of the other oils that I like to infuse. And I've done a video where I show you how I made the herbal hair oil mix. And this one's actually quite exciting. I will be sharing that with you soon. But for now, we're gonna grab our Ambunu oil and strain it. I'm going to place my Ambunu oil back into the container that the castor oil was in. And I love that it's a dark brown color, which just helps with preserving the oil. But you guys can go ahead to use whatever containers you have in your house. It should be fine. Just be sure to store it in a dark, cool, dry place. Now for the application, you want to use this oil as a pre-poo or a hot oil treatment on your hair. I have emailed Madam Sahel to ask if we can leave the Ambunu in the hair for longer, and she suggests that it has to be washed out on the same day. So this one, I would not advise for anybody to leave it in the hair. I mean, I don't think there'll be anything particularly wrong with leaving it in the hair. I don't think it would damage the hair or cause any problems, but for now we are washing it out. Be sure to give yourself a good massage after applying the oil, and you can also sit under a plastic cup for minimum an hour before washing the oil out. This oil will strengthen the hair, it will help prevent dandruff and hair loss, and it also helps in hair growth. I will see you in the next video.